What's up, guys? This is Savage Gear 101, and you might think this is my Nintendo Switch. Well, it actually isn't. But I'm not going to make a video about SML today. But today I'm going to show you how to get free games on your Nintendo Switch. Now you might be thinking that this is just a prank, but no, it isn't. Just copy exactly as I do. Alright, let's move on to step 1. Alright guys, so you definitely need a phone in order to get free games on your Nintendo Switch. So you need to upload an app which is called App which is step 1. So let's head to the App Store. Alright guys, now that you've done step 1, it's time to move on to step 2. Sign in to App. So go on to App and just wait for this to load. And then hit login and register. Alright guys, so step 3 is trying to get nanas. What are nanas, you might ask? Well, they're not dollars, but they're actually points that you can earn. And you can use them to get a bunch of cards, like iTunes, Google Play, Amazon, Xbox, and of course, Nintendo eShop cards. And that's what we're getting for Nintendo Switch. Anyways, let's move on to step 4. Alright guys, step 4 is earning nanas. In order to earn nanas, you have to download some of these apps. And you must complete the achievements on it. Once you do the achievements, you will get some nanas. And you can get some gift cards with these. Alright guys, so step 5 is that you might know that the Nintendo eShop cards are 90,000 nanas, and the $10 gift card is 160,000 nanas. So you need 90,000 nanas for this one, and 160,000 for this one. Alright guys, so step 6 is that once you have enough nanas, you can buy a Nintendo eShop card. And you can use it to buy a free Nintendo Switch game. Alright guys, so the final step is that you have to head on to your Nintendo Switch and head to the Nintendo eShop if you have a Nintendo account. But anyways, once you get to the Nintendo eShop, you can buy only one game. And that's it for the tutorial. So yeah guys, if this tutorial really helped you, then please leave a like. Also subscribe to my channel if you are new. Also, before I leave, I will actually download Season 2 of Super Savage Bros. On January 23rd. No wait, 22nd. Anyways, see you guys later.